Once upon a time in the quaint town of Harmonyville, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily was known far and wide for her infectious positivity. She was the kind of person who could find a silver lining in the darkest of clouds and spread sunshine wherever she went. One day, Lily stumbled upon an old bookstore tucked away in a quiet corner of the town. As she meandered through the dusty aisles, a tattered book with a golden globe caught her eye. Its title read, "The Radiant Ripple, Unleashing the Power of Positivity." Intrigued, Lily opened the book and began to read the ancient wisdom within its pages. The book told the tale of a mystical land where the power of positivity had the ability to shape destinies and transform lives. In this enchanted land, a young boy named Ethan faced numerous challenges. The people in his village were disheartened by constant adversity, and a dark cloud of despair loomed overhead. However, Ethan possessed an extraordinary gift, the ability to radiate positivity. Undeterred by the negativity surrounding him, Ethan decided to embark on a journey to spread hope and optimism. Ethan's first encounter was with an old man who had given up on his dreams. The man, burdened by the weight of past failures, was hesitant to believe in anything positive. But Ethan, with his infectious enthusiasm, shared stories of resilience and triumph, slowly kindling a spark of hope in the old man's heart. As Ethan continued his journey, more and more people began to experience the transformative power of his positivity. The once despondent village now echoed with laughter, and the dark cloud began to dissipate. The radiant ripple of Ethan's optimism had created a wave of change that touched every corner of the land. Lily, deeply moved by the story, felt a surge of inspiration. She realized that positivity wasn't just a fleeting emotion, it was a force that could shape reality. Armed with a newfound purpose, she decided to bring the lessons from the mystical land of the book to her own town, Harmonyville. She began by organizing small community gatherings, where people could share their dreams and aspirations. In these gatherings, Lily encouraged everyone to focus on the positive aspects of their lives, no matter how small. Slowly but surely, the atmosphere in Harmonyville began to shift. Lily's optimism was like a magnet, attracting like-minded individuals who wanted to contribute to the positive transformation of their town. Together, they initiated projects to improve the community, planting vibrant gardens, creating art installations, and organizing events that celebrated the diversity of their town. Word of Harmonyville's positive transformation spread far and wide. Other towns took notice and started implementing similar initiatives. Lily's radiant ripple had become a tidal wave of change, inspiring people to believe in the extraordinary power of positivity. But, like all great stories, challenges arose. A neighboring town, Envyville, felt threatened by Harmonyville's success. The mayor of Envyville, Mr. Grumbleton, was a man consumed by negativity. He believed that the only way to prosper was by bringing others down. Determined to extinguish the light of positivity, Mr. Grumbleton spread rumors and misinformation about Harmonyville. He painted a grim picture, hoping to erode the newfound optimism in Lily's town. However, Lily and the people of Harmonyville were resilient. They faced the challenges with grace and unwavering positivity. Lily, remembering the lessons from the ancient book, decided to reach out to Mr. Grumbleton personally. She invited him to Harmonyville, hoping that the warmth of the community would melt away the coldness in his heart. To her surprise, Mr. Grumbleton accepted the invitation, albeit reluctantly. As Mr. Grumbleton stepped into Harmonyville, he was greeted with smiles and open arms. Lily and the community showed him the positive changes they had made, sharing stories of triumph over adversity. Slowly, the icy walls around Mr. Grumbleton's heart began to thaw. The once cynical mayor started to see the benefits of positivity. He witnessed how a town, once drowning in despair, had risen from the ashes through unity and optimism. Inspired by the transformation, Mr. Grumbleton decided to implement similar initiatives in Envyville. The ripple of positivity had not only transformed Harmonyville but had now spread to neighboring towns. The entire region underwent a metamorphosis, turning into a beacon of hope and inspiration for communities far and wide. Lily, having fulfilled her mission, returned to the old bookstore where she found the mystical book. As she closed its pages, she realized that the power of positivity was not confined to the pages of a story or the boundaries of a town. It was a universal force that could change the world. And so, the tale of Lily in Harmonyville became a legend, passed down through generations. The radiant ripple of positivity continued to spread, reminding people that no matter how dark the clouds, the sun would always rise again, bringing with it the promise of a brighter tomorrow.